Hello traders, and today I'm going to discuss about the dollar CAD and why the dollar CAD is a great opportunity. So before we're going to begin, please note that these videos are for educational purposes only. I'm here to give you any formal advice. Past performance is not indicative of future results. If you need to know more, please visit our website at www.estetrader.com. All right, so we're going to begin. Here we go. We're going to share my screen. So here's the dollar against the US dollar against the Canadian dollar. Firstly, let's go through the weekly time frame. Looking at the weekly time frame, you can see that institutions have been supporting the price actually around that 120.40 area, 120.50. And you can see here, it is almost the same price point since 2017. And there's a big range in terms of demand from 2015 to 2017. So that's number one. And number one, there's a lot of buyers supporting that area. Number two, it's way been oversold. Oversold simply means that there's no more supply. So when there's no more supply, then the demand will basically come into place. So since April of 2020, from 146.67 all the way down to 120, which is the low of this one, was 120.12. So 46 to 12, that's quite a lot, right? So that's more than 22,000 pips. 1,002, yes, 20, 30, 40, 2,600 pips to the downside. So that's a massive drop. So from there to there, yeah, 2,654.5 pips. Okay, so that is such a big drop to the downside. So longer term, if we're dealing here with Fibonacci retracements, the first retracement level, yes, at 23.6, but if we're dealing with the magic threes at 38.2, there's at least 1,000 pips to the upside in the 50th percentile, 133. So 1,000 also through there, but 1,300 pips to the upside. That's a really good opportunity. Of course, there's also certain scenarios that's going to happen. One scenario, the month is not over yet, but if the weekly finishes where you're going to see a nice bullish candle, approximately reaching around 123, somewhere there, then the monthly time frame will form a beautiful hammer. If it forms a hammer, then the month of June will be a potential morning star where you have a bullish candle through there, and then from a bullish move heading towards the 23.6 all the way to 130.26.9. And so for the daily time frame, you can see here low right there of 120.27. No one was willing to go below this low here at 120.12. So we'll go through a 4-hourly time frame. Nice, beautiful higher low forming at this point. 1-hourly time frame. Here's a better, clear picture of it. So notice when it reached 120.30, bam, there's a nice big rebound. So even through here, there's a gravestone doji where a lot of buying pressure, then selling pressure in the end. Instead of it dropping, they push it all the way back up. So it's really strong, really powerful, really good. Based from a forecasting component, there's a possibility in terms of high probability that this is going to rebound to the upside. Number two, based on macro fundamentals, oil itself, and if we go through here, 66, around the 68, between 66 and $68 where institutions have been resisting the price points. Odds and probability that these are going to come back down to 58, 56, and all the way down to 52 even, all around 48 is also highly probable. So when this will drop, then CAD, the Canadian dollar, will be weaker, and So this is where one of them, and of course the dollar index has a potential correction as well to the upside, so that will also help. The S&P has a potential either continuation to drop, but medium longer term is still very bullish. But nevertheless, what drives the dollar CAD is simply oil and the dollar. So that's my report with the dollar CAD, where there's a really good opportunity for buying. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed that. And if you like these type of videos, please make sure to subscribe and give us a like. All right, guys, thank you so much. Take care until next time. Happy trading. Bye now.